Everyone thinks the best-selling beard oil is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different, especially when it comes to ingredients, scent longevity, and how they actually feel on your skin.
Product number 1, Honest Amish Classic. Amish has built a cult following, and this 2-ounce classic beard oil is their flagship. At $12.22, it's mid-range, but what caught my eye was the handcrafted, all-natural formula packed with organic argan and jojoba. If you want deep nourishment without synthetic junk, this is worth a serious look. The blend of cedarwood, anise, clove, and peppermint gives it a rich, earthy scent that lingers, perfect if you like bold, natural fragrances. It's specifically designed for coarse, thick beards, and the mineral oil-free formula means it won't clog pores or leave a greasy film. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The combination of virgin argan and jojoba mimics your skin's natural oils, so it soothes itchiness and reduces beard druff from day one. With over 9,000 sold last month, it's clearly resonating with guys who want clean, effective care. Now, some people complained about the strong spice notes being overwhelming. Here's the thing though, if you're sensitive to bold scents, this might not be your go-to, but for anyone who loves a robust outdoorsy aroma, it's a win. This is perfect for you if you have a thick, unruly beard and want a clean, no-nonsense formula. Skip this one if you prefer light or sweet scents. For the price and quality, it's a solid value.
Product number 2, Shea Moisture Maracaju. If Honest Amish's bold spice wasn't your vibe, this next one takes a completely different approach. Shea Moisture's beard conditioning oil focuses on moisture and softness, especially for curly or textured facial hair. Though the price isn't listed, it's typically around $10 to $12, and the 3.2-ounce bottle gives you more product than most. If you struggle with dry, tangled beards, this is worth a serious look. The star ingredients, maracuja oil and fair trade shea butter, are known for deep hydration and detangling, which means less frizz and easier styling. It's also free of parabens, phthalates, and mineral oil, so it's gentler on sensitive skin. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Curly beards tend to dry out faster, and this oil penetrates deeper to condition from root to tip. Over 8,000 sold last month shows it's a favorite among men with textured hair. Now, some people complained it feels a bit heavy if overused. Here's the thing though, a little goes a long way, so just use 2-3 drops and work it through. This is perfect for you if you have curly or coarse facial hair and want a rich, softening treatment. Skip this one if you prefer lightweight oils or dislike sweet, buttery scents. For the volume and natural ingredients, it's a great deal.
Product number 3, Viking Revolution Sandalwood. That was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for guys who want a clean, masculine scent without the spice. Viking Revolution Sandalwood Beard Oil is only $9.99 and comes in a 30ml bottle. Great value for the size. If you want a smooth, manageable beard with a refined fragrance, this is worth a serious look. The sandalwood scent is warm and woody, not overpowering, and it lasts a solid 4 to 6 hours. It blends argan and jojoba to moisturize and strengthen hair, reducing breakage and patchiness. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The formula is lightweight, so it won't weigh down shorter beards or leave residue. It's also paraben-free and absorbs quickly, making it ideal for daily use. With 4,000 sold last month, it's clear guys appreciate the balance of scent and function. Now, some people said the scent fades faster than expected. Here's the thing though. Sandalwood is naturally subtle, so if you want something that lingers all day, layering with a matching balm. This is perfect for you if you want an affordable, everyday oil with a classic masculine scent. Skip this one if you need ultra-long fragrance or have very dry skin. For under $10, it's a steal.
Product number 4, Viking Revolution Spiced Vanilla. If sandalwood felt a bit too traditional, this next one from Viking Revolution offers a unique twist. The spiced vanilla scent is warm, slightly sweet, and surprisingly sophisticated. Think cozy cabin vibes. Same price at $9.99 and 30ml, so it's just as budget-friendly. If you want a beard oil that smells great without being floral or fruity, this is worth a serious look. Like its sibling, it uses argan and jojoba to soften and condition, and it's paraben-free. The vanilla adds a soft sweetness, while cinnamon and clove give it depth, great for cooler months. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It's versatile for all hair types and doesn't irritate sensitive skin. Over 2,000 sold shows it's gaining traction, especially among guys who want something different. Now, some people found the vanilla too sweet at first. Here's the thing though, It mellows after 10 minutes and becomes a smooth, warm base. This is perfect for you if you enjoy gourmand scents and want to change from woody or minty oils. Skip this one if you're sensitive to sweet fragrances. For the price and uniqueness, it's a fun, high-value pick.
Product number 5, Cremo Palo Santo. If you're into premium niche scents, Cremo's Palo Santo beard oil stands out. At $11.99 for just 1 ounce, it's the smallest bottle here, but the fragrance is anything but small. If you want a luxurious, long-lasting scent with real depth, this is worth a serious look. Palo Santo has this smoky, resinous aroma with hints of cardamom and papyrus. It's unique and memorable. It's preservative-free and works for all beard lengths, soothing itch and restoring moisture. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Shorter beards benefit from its anti-irritation properties, while longer ones get hydration without buildup. Over 2,000 sold shows it's a favorite among scent lovers. Now, some people complained about the small size for the price. Here's the thing though, high concentration oils like this are meant to be used sparingly, so it actually lasts longer than you think. This is perfect for you if you value fragrance and want something that feels premium. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget or prefer unscented options. For the experience, it's worth the splurge.
So, which one should you pick? Honest Amish for bold, natural care, Shea Moisture for curly, dry beards, Viking Revolution for affordable, great scents, or Cremo if you want something luxurious. Each has its strengths and one small flaw, but all deliver real results. Pick the one that matches your beard type and scent preference, and you'll see a difference in just a week.